Now to go through each slide, you have to pick the arrow in which you need to go. If you think that you missed something, you can go back to the previous screen. There's also the audio button will show whenever there is audio. So you do want to make sure that you click that
Consumers and retail professionals
so you can
bring
hear the
new
information that
product
they are
ideas to
saying. Now I don't want it really,
manufacturers.
really loud so everyone
The
can hear
first
it.
thing for
You need to just make it loud enough for you and your partner to be able to hear it. Now up here, there's other screens that you have to go through. So you click the next arrow. Once you've read through everything, you would move forward. Now it's going to keep giving you information that you and your partner need to read through because it's going to be on your quiz or test questions later on. Some of the information you will have to scroll through to read. It's not just going to pop up for you. So you need to pay attention to what you're looking at. Again, more information that you would need to read through. And the same thing again. You obviously are not going to go through this as fast as I am because I'm just going through it faster so you guys can kind of get the process of what you were supposed to do. Says go to your module guidebook and perform day 1 activity 1. So that would be when you would get your binder and look at the paper that I showed you before that said day 1 activity 1, which was to be completed in your journal for you and your partner. Some journals, there's quite a few of them for each day. Others there are not. Just make sure that you complete all of them. Once you have completed that, then you would hit the forward button. And this is where it comes to the daily test. It's going to ask you, are you ready to take the test? If you are, then you need to click take test. I will be able to tell on my computer whether you've started it or done it or not. Also what your score is. But you need to continue this. Do not hit continue, skip test. You always take the test. For the sake of this, I am going to hit continue, skip test. Which at that time, after you get done with your test, it will tell you to log off, clean up, and put away any materials that you have used for that day. When you're done, make sure that you exit, log out all, so that will log out you and your partner, and then close and log out. Also, make sure that you log off your name. Do not turn the computer off because other classes will need to use it. Now that you're done with that day, you need to also go back and double check your module paper because you're going to have a different one for each day. So it says before you're finished with your module, make sure you've completed and checked off all of the following. So did you complete your craft and activity? Some of them, like Global Child or Childcare, do have a craft that you're going to make, which you will turn in and then I will grade. Also, you're going to tell me what your activity was. Did you complete all of your quizzes? Some of them don't have quizzes. If you didn't have a quiz, just put there wasn't a quiz for today. Did you complete all of your journal entries? Did you complete your test? What was your score? Also, I'd like to know what you did like about today's module and what did you dislike. Please note at the bottom, if you turn this in and say that everything is completed and it is not, you will lose 10% of your grade for that day. It's just keeping track of what you were supposed to be doing and turning it in to me completed so we don't have to backtrack, because if you skip over something, you're putting you and your partner behind.